Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you then how you can factory reset your TP-Link RE650. So it's super simple. First you want to plug it in, turn it on, and when you can turn it on you want to take a pen or something small like a pinhole or paper clip, like when you're opening a SIM card. And here from the right side you're gonna find a reset button. It's going to be right here on the right. And what you want to do is you just want to, or like from, depends from which side you're looking for, maybe it's going to be left from your side. So it's going to locate on the right or left side, you're going to like reset button. And what you want to do, you just want to press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. So you're going to take a pinhole, you're going to tear something, and when it's going to be turned on, you want to press for 10 to 15 seconds. Then you want to release, you maybe going to find some like light blinking, maybe a red color out there, and then what will happen is going to reset for you, and then you can connect it again. So super simple, that's how it works. Thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.